What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Wolf Den. This is another reaction video, another episode of Filling It or Killing It, and we're back on MELANIE Martinez. This is Fire Drill.
They told me do it like Kate does, gotta get them hyped up.
Okay guys, welcome back. This is a new MELANIE Martinez song. I still got to go back and listen to Cry Baby and listen to all those tracks, but I wanted to listen to something new because I know those ones are from like 5 or 6 years ago, and I know I'm very late to the MELANIE train, but I just want to hear what she's doing now, react to it, and then see, is it got a space on our alt playlist? Are we filling it? Or is it something we're not going to come back and listen to again? Are we killing it? Let's just dive straight in, listen to the song.
To any category, always deemed an outcast since I was in Sunday school, and all the cool kids said I was weird. It's exactly the same, they say, why do you dress that way, why do you act that way, why aren't you just like me? So is that what you really wanna say to me? You playing games with me, telling me if I'm unkind, but still you abandon me, calling me words I'm not, painting a picture that's false. You must not know my heart, but I know it isn't your fault. You live in a world in your clutch, you don't get out very much. Living in a fake world filled with facades and chaotic behavior. You pull the lever for fun, you'll fire, then you just run. Fire drill, what would happen if a nuke just hit? Would you say bye to your family? Would you post about it? Fire drill, if it all went up in flames one day, would you give your mom a hug before your house burned away?
This is a cool song. It's got that nursery rhyme feel that all of the MELANIE Martinez stuff that I've listened to has. The beat was really nice at the start, just that kind of backing of every couple of seconds, that sound like a fire drill, like a ringing sound. I really like the way she does that with her music. So like she's got a song and the backing music often will be very literal to what it is. So this is called fire drill and she's using a bell or a ringing sound, like a fire drill sound in the background. So I do enjoy that, and this sounds really cool. It sounds a little bit more mature than some of the stuff that I was listening to with her before. Her other stuff felt like it was very poppy. This feels poppy as in pop music, not as in of the artist Poppy. So it felt very like pop music-esque, whereas this one feels more like embedded in the alternative space with the pop element. So before it was very pop with alternative, this feels more like alternative with pop, and I really like it. This is far more something that I would listen to over and over again, something that I would think is versatile and could sit on a couple of my playlists rather than just the one specific alt playlist where some of the previous MELANIE Martinez stuff is. I really like her vocals. I think she sounds really cool, and I love the stuff she sings about. I love that it's very unique to herself. She talks about her own experiences, her identity, and the stuff she's going through. And there's still 3 minutes, so let's just keep listening and checking this one out.
Wish the best for you, and you think I ignore you too, but really I'm trying to live my own life, be present more, and so should you. It's alright to crying inside, cause nothing I say ever comes out right. We're on the same side. If I'm honest with you, you just run and hide. I'm bad at public speaking, but I'm speaking now, so hear me out. I personally believe that everyone is fully capable of more than what they're doing. All of the bullying, all of the screwing around with people they don't even really know. Eating a hate souffle and an angry bitter sorbet, all cause you were bored one day, losing your wits and your grace. Fire drill, what would happen if a nuke just hit? Would you say bye to your family? Would you post about it? Fire drill, if it all went up in flames one day, would you give your mom a hug before your house burned away? It kills. the best for you, and you think I ignore you too, but really I'm trying to live my own life, be present more, and so should you. It's alright too. I am not the government, I am not the fucked up man, I am not a part of anything that is hateful. Love is seeping out my pores, I don't hold anger anymore, even for people who hurt and betray me. Okay. I am not the government, I am not the fucked up man, I am not a part of anything that is hateful. Love is seeping out my pores, I don't hold anger anymore, even for people who hurt and betray me. Fire drill, what would happen if a nuke just hit? Would you see body and family? Would you post about it? Fire drill, if it all went up in flames one day, would you give your mom a hug before your house burned away? It kills. I wish the best for you, and you think I ignore you too, but really I'm trying to live my own life, be present more, and so should you. It's alright too.
I'm getting out of here.
I just seen there's a little ad box for that for K12, and someone told me to react to that, and I didn't realise it was an hour and 30-minute film. I might do that, but we might have to speed up parts and just get to the bits of me talking about what I think about it. But that sounds really interesting, so that's on my radar now. It was already on my radar as a recommendation, but now it's on my radar for what it is, and it's very intriguing. This track, really cool. I loved it. Like I say, it's like nursery rhymes, but it's also like a fairy tale in a way, because, or like a fable, because it has that kind of, like, she tells a story, and she always has like a message and stuff, and this message is, I'm just trying to be me as an individual, I'm not part of anything, and I'm not I'm not trying to be anything more than just myself, so just leave me alone to be myself and focus on you. Stop with all the nonsense, the bullying, the harassment, like, just because I'm not the same as you, like, let's just, unity and strength, not harassment, bullying, and those kind of things. So I'm definitely here for the message, and I definitely enjoyed this song. I do like it. I like how literal she is with the music. I like her voice. I like the little bit that came in with the slightly pitched vocals where it went up about half an octave. That was really cool. It didn't make me jaw drop or like anything. I was like, oh, that's so cool, that's amazing. But on the whole, it was a cool song. It's a song that I'll show some friends, a song that I'll put on a playlist and play around people to show people just how cool I am and that I have a fun range of musical interests. But yeah, this is a really cool one. It wasn't a recommendation, it's something I stumbled upon. Feeling it. It's going to go on the alt playlist 100%. It's going to go on my normal playlist as well because I just liked it that much. And that's what I'm going to say on it. It was a great song, great artist. Definitely need to spend more time listening to Melanie Martinez. And I'm going to get into K12. Tell me what it is if you're a Melanie Martinez fan. Give me a bit of insight so I know what I'm going into before I get there. But yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, support the channel, all that kind of stuff. And until the next video, guys, peace.